Okay, so our second part of notes here, I just want to briefly go over the schedule and the reading assignments that we're going to be doing and where to find them. I'm just going to post and have week one up for this week, and then I'll start adding a little bit more so you don't get overwhelmed. I usually don't post more than 2 weeks at a time because it can be a lot to look at. So everything's divided up here. Each week you'll have something to do and something to read, of course. Our first week of class is May 20th to the 25th. What you want to do this week is make sure you can log into our class, upload a picture to your Canvas profile if you have not already. You need to get the book, as I've mentioned. I will provide the readings for week one with links, but you need to get the book for commentaries and other readings and to have the correct page numbers. Please post to our welcome discussion forum by Wednesday. Follow the instructions on there. Listen and watch the notes that I give you each week for each, sort of section that we're working on. It'll help you understand the stories a little bit better. Just for week one, you'll respond to the questions on the readings by Friday, and you can respond to your peers by Saturday. We'll resume our more normal and frequent schedule for week two. And at the end of this week, I'll post our first paper assignment so you can start working on that. So making sure you're reading the course syllabus and making sure then you're checking the directions and looking at the links for the stories for next week too. And that's sort of how each week will follow along. There'll always be notes to watch, and there'll always be different discussion posts. Like I said, not all the discussion forums are typing responses. As I said, sometimes you'll be required to record video or audio, and you can do that right through Canvas or upload via your phones as well. There'll be different surveys or quizzes for you to also take, so that's something important that you want to kind of take note of too. Week three will be keep going along. We'll start then our second paper and digital project. Your first paper will be due that week, and you can see how quickly the weeks really go by. So, as I said, to be most successful in this class, I think making sure that you're checking your email, logging into Canvas daily. Like I said, it does not mean you have to do something every day. But looking and making sure you're checking Canvas. Sign up for Remind.com. It's very, very easy to forget about online classes sometimes. So you want to schedule time for the class into your week just like you would do in a face-to-face course. Make a study buddy in the class. Get help if you need it. The tutors are available in the SASC. I'm available for help. I'm always more than happy to answer questions or concerns that you have. I would so much rather you ask rather than be confused or not quite sure what you're actually talking about. So that concludes our notes on the syllabus. I'm sure you'll have questions. You can email me, you can ask them in the water cooler post, or think them over a little bit more. But I'm very much looking forward to all the different readings that we're going to be doing in our class.